Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, before we get started, if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And then for everyone else, welcome back. Welcome back. We are having Benny's Burgers today, my favorite burger spot. I've done a previous video, but we are here again eating more burgers because I love burgers. Also, this time too, we're trying their fish sandwich, and then I got some cheese fries. So let's do a thumbnail. Let me open this up first. I already opened the burger because I wanted like a place to put. Ooh, my boyfriend's not gonna like that they put tomato on that fish sandwich. Whoops, should have double checked. Okay, and that's my baby. I think that's tartar sauce. But anyways. Let's go ahead and do a thumbnail really quick. Okay. So I got a double cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, onion pickle. I got a Sprite. I thought I'd switch it up. I'm not gonna lie, I love Benny's Burgers a lot. I feel like they rushed everything because it was obviously lunchtime. So the burger's a little messier and like rushed through than it normally would be. Still really good. It's just like really messy. Like I feel like it was rushed through. But it's still good. I've been craving fried calamari. And they have some, but we got like a pickup order. And I didn't want to like order when I got there, and then the rest of our food be cold. Okay. Let's try this fish sandwich. I guess they had like a special on them, which is why we got them. And I'm 99% sure this is flounder. I don't really want this big chunk of tomato on here. I'm gonna take that out. And it doesn't look like anything super special, so we'll see. That's my baby. Well, it's got a good crunch. I don't know if they put tartar or mayo. I think it's tartar. And I was gonna actually get some more tartar sauce today, Junior. Tartar sauce out of my fridge. Cause I love tartar sauce with my fish. It's good. It's better than Popeyes, I will say that. I didn't really like Popeyes sandwich. I am already getting full. And so every Thursday, my daughter has cheer. She's like an all-star cheerleading. So every Thursday, we have to go to practice. And so I try to like figure out a quick, easy meal for everyone. So when I get home, I don't have to cook. So I have beef stew going right now. So I just did like really, really easy. The meat, carrots, potatoes, and then I bought like jar stew sauce and then a packet of onion soup. So I'm hoping that it'll be really good. We shall see in about 4 hours? I think it's 4 hours. All right, let's take a few more bites of this. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.